Alright, in this question, we have this equation here. So let me rewrite it over here. 2x over 16 is equals to 1 over 16 to the power of x. Okay, and we need to solve for the value of x. Alright, so what do we know? Okay, so since we have a fraction here and a fraction here, we can always cross multiply. So always remember, when I have one complete fraction on the left hand side and I say that it is equal to another complete fraction on the right hand side, okay, what I can do is I can cross multiply so that a multiplied by d is equals to b multiplied by c. Okay, I can only do this when I have a complete fraction on the left hand side and a complete fraction on the right hand side. Okay, so both sides are a single fraction each. So we have a similar situation here, so I can do a cross multiply. So what I will have is 2 to the power of x multiplied by 16 to the power of x equals to 1 times 16. Alright, now 16 we know is 2 to the power of 4, correct? So that is what we can do next. So we can say 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 bracket to the power of x equals to 16, and 16 is also 2 to the power of 4. Alright, now for this expression here, we can look back at our indices rule. A to the power of m bracket to the power of n is the same as a to the power of m multiplied by n. Okay, so right now what we can do is we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 4x, which is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, now this brings us to the next rule. A to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. So this is 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 4x is 2 to the power of x plus 4x is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so I can simplify this to say 2 to the power of 5x is equals to 2 to the power of 4. Alright, and so now that we have both the bases the same, it also implies that both the powers are the same. Okay, so what we have is 5x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 over 5. Alright, so that is the answer, and that is how you go about solving this question here. Alright, thank you.